Hi, this is Jenna with Flik Hospitality, and today we're making Tracy's puppy paw recipe. This grade school favorite is super simple to make and only takes a handful of ingredients to put together. You'll need Chex cereal, chocolate chips, peanut butter, regular unsalted butter, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and M&Ms. Microwave the chocolate chips, peanut butter, and butter for about 60 seconds and stir until nice and smooth. Add the vanilla and toss the cereal into that mixture. Then combine with powdered sugar and the M&Ms for a little extra touch of deliciousness and enjoy.